Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today we will model Burj Khalifa with floor plan and column shear wall layout in Etabs 2017. First of all, I want to show how I prepared this floor plan and column and shear wall layout. I got this plan and this plan as image file in internet. From there I got this all floor plan and this column and shear wall layout. This image I have here, the image here, copy this one and Ctrl V, click here, press 1, enter, click here. So this is the whole floor plan layout. What I need, I got the dimension from A to C or A to B or B to C. This inclined distance I got from website. This is 162 meter. So what I will do, I have drawn one line from here to here. Then I have measured this line. How much this one? 56.848. Now I want to make it this distance 162. So calculator, 162 divided by 56.848. This is the scaling factor. Copy this one, then select this SC, enter. Now press any value 0 like this, then backspace, Ctrl V. This is the scaling factor, press enter. Now here you can see it is almost 162 meter. After getting this, on top of this I have put the line like this. In this way I have drawn this floor plan, and from here I have got this additional this portion. This is the floor plan, and later on I got this column layout and shear wall layout. From here I have drawn these lines. That line I have put here in the floor plan, and from another image from website I have got other columns. This is small columns. So with this reference I will try to model this Burj Khalifa in Etabs 2017. So from here I have copied this one to here. I have marked the floor plan from which floor to another floor and floor height. So this is our data. From here I have made the center line for shear wall. This is the shear wall layer, this one slab layer, this one column layer. So this is our plan to import in Etabs. This one I have copied like this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Here I have drawn line 0, 0, enter. This is the center. Move this one, place it here. I want to make the center point at 0, 0 point. This one I have saved as for Etabs. From there I have saved it as DXF file for importing into Etabs. So now close this one. Now open Etabs. Now go to new model, built-in. I will choose metric MKS because my drawing is in meter unit. Select this one, click on OK. Custom grid spacing, number of story here, total story level 192, level 192. So we will give the number of story 192. Story height, first typical floor we will consider 4.2 meter, bottom story height 4.2 meter, blank. Click on OK. Now this one we will save. Burj Khalifa. OK. Now go to plan, base, apply, file, import this one DXF file for Etabs. Open meter unit, base, click on OK. This is the floor plan with structural elements of shear wall and column. Now from here we will draw first column object, add column object. Now here we will see this section it has considered or not. Here it has been considered as null line, so we will provide the column dimension or column section. This is 0.8, that means 1.6 meter dia of the column. For this column type 2, column type 1 is 0.4 meter, that means 0.8 meter this diameter. So we will define column section, modify here, C 160 centimeter, 1600 millimeter. We can edit the clear cover. Okay, then this one C 80 centi, so here 800. Other things are okay. Click on OK. Now we can see here 4 big column, 4 big column and 4 big columns. This 4 we will select from here. As it is null line, so it is showing like this as joint. If we assign property, then it will show the real shape of the column. Now I will assign this one C160 apply. See, now it is showing the circular shape. Now rest of the columns will be section type 2. Select object type, this null lines, it is not from here. Select property, frame section, this none, select. Now it will be selected. Now go to assign C80, apply. So this is our columns. Now we will add beam object. It is adding beam objects. Adding beam object finished. Now we can hide this column layer, shear wall layer we can hide. Now we will select this beam object added as null line, so select null lines. Now from this one we will extrude, linear extrusion 0. This floor height is 4.2 meter, number 1. Now delete source object, we don't need source object, so click on apply. So this is the shear wall layout. This is our column and shear wall layout. Now we will go for slab layout. Go to basement floor. Here we will make it invisible, joint object. Here like this, close this one. Here go to define slab section. For example, our slab is 400 millimeter thickness, 400. Click on OK. Now we will draw slab. Go to here, draw floor. From here select as 400. We can start from here. This is the ground floor slab. This one we will see how many floors. Level 1 to 3, 4.2 meter. We will adjust this floor height later on as per the information. Now all are in 4.2 meter. After finishing the model we can change the floor height. So now we will go for replicating this floor to 3 floor. 1 2 3. Apply like this. Draw this one here and mark this. Now we will go for this part. You can start from here. Now the second floor plan is done. This one, how many floors we will check. this one level 4 to 5, 2 floor only. We will select this one, replicate, delete original object. This is modeled in base, so from here we will delete, replicate, story 4 and 5. Like this. Now we will go for next part. We will go to draw, from here now we will replicate this one from 6 to 17, replicate story 6 to 17. This one we will not delete because we will use this one for other floors. So apply this up to 17. Now we will cut this portion like this. We will draw some line, select this and cookie cut, apply, close. Now this portion we will delete. Now this is the floor. We will check this one, this 6 to 17, 18 to 25. So replicate story here, this one 18 to 25, apply, close. This portion reduced. Now this side we will reduce. Here we have done a small mistake. This one we will edit here, this like this. This one we will replicate to 6 to 25, apply, okay, select all story, select this, okay, done. In 2017 for all story we can merge the floor. We can check in story 6. So this is done for other floor. Merging done for other floors. 25. We will go to base again. Now here this portion we have cut. Now this portion we will cut. Here one story, draw line object, this one we will cut. Now this portion we will delete. Now this floor replicate story, 26 to 33. 26 to 33. Done. Now this portion we will cut. Delete. Now this portion we will replicate here. So 26 to 33, 34 to 41. Done. Here we can see the different level having the cut portion. Now again we will cut this portion like this. Cut. Now delete this one. Now this one we will replicate to 42 to 51. Press shift then 51. This portion cut. Here we have cut this portion. Now here this floor and this select, cut, delete this. Now this one replicate story. Here we will see 51. Now then it is coming 52 to 61. 52 to 61. Now click on apply. Now we will cut this portion. This one and this, cut, done. This one delete. Now this one replicate story 52 62 to 71. Shift 71, apply, done. Now again this portion we will cut. This and this, select, cut, apply, then delete, replicate 72 to 81 story. 72 to 81. Apply this portion. Cut like this, then delete. Now this one, replicate story 81, then 82 to 91. Okay. Now this portion we will cut. Then cut this one, delete, then select replicate story 101. Shift 101, replicate. Now again, now select replicate story 122 to 131. Now here we will cut this portion. This one, draw this line, then divide by two parts. Here this joint we can move, this joint move, pick 2 points from here to here like this. This one now we can join. Done. This portion we will replicate story 132 to 136. Now this portion we will cut. Now this one, replicate story 156, 154. Now come to 155 to 158. Okay, so now this portion we will delete. So this is done. Now this replicate to 188 to 190. Same way you can do this. We will draw this like this. This one delete. The last one, there will be one circular steel section. That section size is 80. So how to plan 195. You can draw, defines front section. This one say 80. Add copy. This one steel pipe. $800 20 or 50 is 80. Okay, is 80. Draw snap option, intersection, midpoint, like this. This one we will replicate to story 195. Delete. Like this. Now we will replicate column and wall. Object type wall, column and wall. Select. Now go to replicate history. From 4 to shift 194. Apply. This is done. Now go to plan, history 195. Now come to down. Here this is the floor, down floor. Same way we will select all. Only this. Delete. Then go to down. Here also. These are all the things. Delete. We can do one thing in the beginning. We can make similar story. Then we can use here similar history and then delete these things. In 188 floor here, 2 shear all we can keep and select all. Select this, select this, select this, and this one. Then delete. Now so in this way I have kept the column and shear all as per the floor layout plan. Now we have finished the modeling. We can see the floors. Floor by floor the area reduced and number of column and shear all reduced. Here this portion reduced here. Now go to another floor. This side reduced. This side reduced. This side, as it is large building or this is tower, so it is taking much time to move up, down, and moving the 3D view, it will also take time. In this way we can see 120 like this, 105 like this, 126 like this, 132, 139. In this way the structural configuration moved up to the top floor. Then at top there is something circular steel section at the top of the building or tower. If we could have the exact drawing in AutoCAD plan or any PDF format, we could model the exact 100% accurate structural configuration and floor plans, but somehow I have tried to manage the image file to prepare the plan So if you like this tutorial, please press like button and share the tutorial with your civil engineering friends and colleagues, and stay tuned with Decode BD for more upcoming important and interesting tutorials. This is our Burj Khalifa tower with column, shear and floor layout. If we make this extrude, it will take a little bit time. It will look like this, and if we go for the rendered view, this is it.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.